Okay, we've got to be careful about confusing scale factor and scale. When we talk about scale, we're talking about 1 inch equals 1 foot. But when we talk about a scale factor, there's a big difference between 1 inch equals 1 foot and 1 inch to 12 inches. And so when we're talking about scale factor, we're putting everything in 1 unit. So if we talk about this, right, we have a scale drawing of 6 inches and the actual sign width is 6 feet. So it's 6 inches to 4 feet. Now notice we have different units here. We want to break it down to something without units. And to do that, we got to put the feet into inches. So 4 feet is 48 inches. So 6 inches to 48 inches. And then what we do is we simplify it. Because again, a fraction that can be simplified, we simplify it. So that solves a 1 inch over 8 inches. And since we have inch over inch, we don't really need that. So we get a 1 to 8, 1/8 scale factor, which reads as 1 to 8 or 1 full colon 8, which is what your correct choice is here. So how about the next problem? All right, number 19. Okay, we have our scale. Remember, everything starts with a scale. Everything starts with a scale. So we have 1/4 inch equals 1 foot. Now, we're not looking at a scale factor here. We're looking at trying to find out what this length is on this drawing. We know that the actual room is 12 and 4/5 feet, or 12 and 8/10 feet long. But we want to know how long it is on the drawing. And so we start with our scale factor. So we know a 1 1/4 inch is a 1 foot, as our unknown number of inches is 12 and 4/5 feet. So if we go to the next slide here, right, we got two different ways we can solve it. One, we can go and just multiply the top and the bottom by 12 and 4/5 feet, because 1 times 12 and 4/5 feet is 12 and 4/5 feet. And so 1/4 times 12 and 4/5. Now to solve that, what I did is right here, I said, hey, 1/4 times 64 over 5. Because again, 5 times 12 is 60, plus 4 is 64. So multiply across, that's 60 over 20. To simplify it down, I cut it in half, my little halfsy trick. So half of 64 is 32, half of 20 is 10, which becomes, divided by 10, that becomes 3.2. So 3.2 inches is the same thing as 12 and 4/5 feet. For those of you who don't like fractions, and many of you don't, well, I put it down here. Well, 1/4 inch is 25 hundredths of an inch. And 12 and 4/5 is 12 and 8/10. So I'll multiply that times 12 and 8/10, and we get 3.2 inch. 1 times this equals that. And so 3.2 inches is to 12.8 feet. And so my drawing and the actual room. I hope that helps. And also check out this video for one of the problems that you'll be doing today.